This is a 1997 Matchless Chieftain Reverb 2x12. It's two EL34s and four 12AX7 with the 12AX7 and the phase inverter. I'm having a lot of noise in the reverb circuit. So far I have reflowed, I have replaced the reverb, I've pulled the tank, I've replaced the reverb RCA cable to new. I've cleaned all the contacts. I've reflowed the contacts on the reverb jacks, and I have also reflowed the grounds on the jacks, and also on the tank. And I also have this same tank on another amp, and I've switched the tanks and ran that tank on this amp, and I still get the noise. So here's what I get. There's my settings. And I don't have an oscilloscope. This right here is the reverb circuit. I got a lot of noise in V1 with the 68K resistor. And I think this is just like a ground bus. This jack is also kind of open, but even if I ground it out, I don't get any relief. These speakers are run at 4 ohms. I don't know what else to tell you. I'm thinking these are filter caps at this point because this amp is about 22 years old, but I do not see any leakage on the negative or on the positive. So yeah, I'm at a loss here. I don't see any faulty wiring. I have also alligator clipped a ground to the chassis and gone through and tried to contact out with one hand and being very careful to all the ground buses, just to make sure, to see if that would alleviate any ground, and I cannot seem to get it to work. So if anybody has any ideas, let me know. This is the back. I could probably show this. So this is master, this is reverb, brilliance, treble, mid, bass, volume. The amp sounds fine, works fine if you've got the reverb turned down. And there is a little bit of hiss. But yeah, I don't know what to do here. Somebody tell me what to do.